I got paid $10 for creating videos for a crypto project. In this video, I'll be going into details on how I got paid this money from this crypto project, how I got the information about them, right? How I started creating videos, right? And also how I participated in contests that made me up to $100 just from working for this particular crypto project. And guess what? This project is actually not so popular. A lot of people have been passing out this information, but many people are not taking advantage of it, right? Very few people are taking advantage of it. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get started, right, as a beginner with this particular crypto project, right, and start creating content, whether written content, whether video content for them, and start making money for yourself. Now, if you're just coming across the channel for the first time, welcome. My name is Chidi Finance, and all I do basically is I create videos that show you passive income and earning opportunities that you can try out and start making money for yourself. If you find this video useful, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also make sure you turn on the bell notification to get notified once I release more videos. Now let's get into the details of the video. So the name of this particular crypto project is called STON.fi, right? So STON.fi is a decentralized exchange within the Thorn blockchain. If you're not into crypto, you may not understand what I mean, right? But then it means simply that STON.fi is an exchange where people come to trade, swap, right, and to also farm tokens through their liquidity pools, etc. They have a program called STONbassadors program. This is where they have people called ambassadors or STONbassadors who create content solely about STON on either Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, or any social media platform, right? And if your videos, right, get views, if your videos get people to sign up, right, you'll be rewarded for any of these activities that people take just from your content. The next thing I'm going to do is to show you how much I got paid from this particular project, right? So during the introduction of this particular video, I told you I was paid about, I think, up to 10 STON, which is supposed to be the equivalent of $10, but it actually dropped to about $8. So I made about $8 just for creating few content for this project. And another thing I also did to make more money for myself, so I made almost a total of about $100 just by promoting this particular crypto project, right? So I participated in their first contest where they did a contest for creators to create video content, written content for them. So I think I created about 5 contents for them. I cannot remember exactly, and I got paid about $50, right, just for creating this content and for being part of the winners of that contest. And the second contest was also launched, Eternal contest. I think I made about from that contest I came out and I made about $5, right, from that particular contest, right? I also created some videos for them, right? And again, for the month of June, I also created about few content for them, and they paid me about $8, right, just for creating content for them. I've even reached out to some of our Nigerian friends who are also working for this project, and one guy even told me that he's being paid about $120 every month just for creating content for this particular project. And the next question is, how then do you join the STONbassadors program? It's actually very, very simple. Now, the thing I like about this particular program is that you don't necessarily need to apply. It's a special group where they have for ambassadors. Just go there. The link to this STONbassadors group chat is in the description below, right? So you just go there, check the description, you're going to see it. If you want to join there, you get information about how to become an ambassador for this particular project, right? They'll give you a document on what to promote about the project, and you just go ahead and follow through, right, and start creating content, written content or video content, anyone you are very good at. At the end of the month, all you need to do is to go and submit all the content links you have created, whether it's Twitter content, TikTok posts you made for them, or whatever you did. Just copy all the links. If it's 5 videos, copy the links of the 5 videos, then go to the ambassadors form, submit it. To be able to submit your links and get paid, you are going to need to generate what is called your STON.fi referral code. That code, you can use it to invite people to join the STON.fi X and start trading. If anybody you invite trades or swaps with STON.fi, you also get more points and more rewards for that month. So just go over to the STON.fi bot. You can click the second link in the description below, right, to just go to the bot directly and get your referral link from that particular bot. By this time, I believe you should have already gotten your referral code from this STON.fi bot. Once you are done, just go back to that form, submit your link, write your name, and also add your referral code. Once you add this, submit. You have to wait for, I think they pay between 10 to 20 days after the end of every month, right? So if you submitted your links, let's say on the 30th of, this is July, and the 30th of July, you should expect to get paid between 10th of August of the next month to 20th of August of the next month. So between those time frame, you will get paid. But sometimes they used to still delay to like 22 or 23rd of the next month before they pay. Right. But what you just need to do is, once you are done creating for the month of July, don't wait for the payment. Continue to post for the month of August. Once it is time, right, you get paid. Now I'm going to give you a strategy on how to actually succeed, because not everybody get paid in this program. So some people create videos, tweet posts for this particular project and don't get paid sometimes. Not because the project doesn't want to pay them, but because some of these posts are not quality enough, right? Some people just create content just to create content. Oh, you just go and copy from ChatGPT and you now paste and you think they're going to pay. That's not how it works, right? You have to know what you're talking about in your post, even in your videos. Also, even if you use ChatGPT, you know how to tweak it, know how to make sure it comes out very natural, right, in your content. So what you just need to do very basically is find out who are creating content for STON.fi and try to replicate their content. If it's on Twitter, if it's on TikTok, you can see people just search for STON.fi, hashtag STON.fi, you see other people's content and you can follow them and see how they write and also write like them. Another thing you can also do, which also helped me, was to message STON.fi support. So there's something called STONbassadors support, right? I'll also drop the Telegram link to this particular support, where you just get to ask questions about your content before you submit them. After creating your content, if your tweet or your video, your post, whichever one, just go to the support decks, right? Ask them if this your content is good enough to be monetized or to be paid for. Right. If they look at it and they tell you, oh, it's good, then fine. If it's not good, they'll tell you, okay, look at the errors, correct this, and you are good to go. Right. The more you do this, the more you view people's content, you read other people's content, and also reach out to support for clarifications or for questions, the better you become and the more you also get paid. That's it. One thing I like about this particular program is that once you are able to successfully understand what the project is about and know how to write content for them, you can now have predictable income, because they've been paying for the past 1 year now. They started paying since last year, I suppose, since 2024, right? And they've been paying till now. Every month they pay up to $10,000 to ambassadors, right? Over 400 ambassadors receive a share from the $10,000 monthly, and you too can actually participate in it and start earning money. So even if you don't have a job, right, you don't have a good business, maybe your business is not bringing out something very good, or maybe you're a student or a recent graduate, right, and you're looking for something to do to actually keep money coming in. Like myself, I work from home, and for some time now the project I've been working with have not been paying very, very well. So what do? Instead of staying idle, I just get to create content for this project, study about them, create content for them, and start earning money monthly, no matter how little, right? At least $10 to $100 in a month can actually do something for you if you're looking for something to generate you passive income, or even extra income, or even income itself, right? So all the links to join this STONbassadors program is in the description below, right? You can go down there then and click any of the links, right, and participate in it. I also have a Telegram community of over 6,000 people who I drop free updates for them to earn money online. If you're interested, you want to join my community, there's a link in the description below, right? You can actually go there, join my Telegram group to get access to all the informations I drop on a daily or even on a weekly basis on that group. You can actually start making money for yourself from there. Now, I believe you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, also make sure to turn on the bell notification to get notified once I release more videos.